Friends, for some of you who are active investors and traders and who trade very frequently, it may not be a surprise that you may be losing out on lakhs of rupees just on account of the amount you pay out as your brokerage. So if you are trading with Axis Direct or probably HDFC Securities, Kotak, you may be paying out about 0.5% of your entire transaction value as your brokerage. This extrapolated to 200 or 300 investment transactions or trades a year could sum up to more than a lakh rupees. Now, to tide over this, you could open a completely free demat and trading account using Upstocks, which is incidentally backed by Ratan Tata, and enjoy the benefits of completely free delivery-based transactions in equities and a nominal fee of around 20 rupees or 0.1% on intraday or FNO transactions. Now this, as you can figure out, is dirt cheap when compared to any one of the other brokerages. This is not all. Along with this, anybody who opens an account through the link provided in the first comment or the link provided in the description is also entitled to join our Telegram and WhatsApp group, where, as most of you know, just in the last 2 weeks or 3 weeks, we have made close to 40% on our trading capital. So this could be a wonderful opportunity to join our group for free. Also, you are entitled to a completely free stock as a gift when you open a trading account with Upstocks, and you could also be entitled to 2,000 Flipkart vouchers, which would be given out to the first 2,000 people. So friends, hurry. This will not always last, as it's too good to be true.
Now, having discussed how you could go ahead and save a ton of your brokerage money, let's get back to a stock which Basant Maheshwari and Edelweiss's research head Vinay Khattar thinks could be the top investment stock idea for the next 10 years. Please watch this video to know more. Now, the company in question is Titan Company Limited, which is available at Rs 1329.20 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is TITAN. Now, Titan Company Limited is engaged in offering watches, jewelry and others. The company offers plain and studded gold jewelry brands such as Tanishq, Gold Plus, Zoya, Mia, which are retailed through the Tanishq, Gold Plus, Zoya and Mia stores. The company also offers watches and accessories such as bags and sunglasses in brands including Titan, Sonata, Fast Track and sub-brands such as Raga, Xylis and Edge among others. The company's watches and accessories are retailed through the World of Titan, Helios and Fast Track stores. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, this company has a copybook uptrending chart, which is a very beautiful one. The company is a large cap with a market capitalization of 118,004.54 crores. The EPS of 15.82 translates into a very expensive price to earnings ratio of 84.02. However, this is largely in line with the industry PE of 83.63. The price to book ratio of 19.40, however, is much on the higher side. The company has a debt to equity of 0.4321, whereas the return on equity for this company is a fabulous figure at 0.2516. The dividend yield is 0.38%, whereas the promoter holding is a decent number and stands at 52.91%. Also, none of the promoters' holding is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.